Okay, hello everyone. So now I'm going to show you how to set default page setup in Microsoft Word. Okay, so now let's see all together. Okay, so we go to layout here and we choose page setup. Okay, click here, right? Okay, you see the paper here. Okay, this is letter, right? The type of the paper or size of the paper letter, so it's not the correct one. So we choose A4 paper, right? A4. So we click here and then we scroll down in order to find A4 paper, right? Yeah, this one. Okay, after A4 paper, we set machine. Okay, machine. So I click here for the top, right? How to keep a free at the top here. Okay, I keep one and bottom also one and left. Okay, on the left here, one also, right? Okay, and on the right also one. And cut position we have two places. We can cut at the top or we can cut on the left of the paper, right? Okay, so let's see here, right? So I choose on the left. And okay, the orientation is paper. We have portrait and landscape. So I choose portrait. And I for this machine I use for all of my document. I mean the whole document, right? And then I set as default, right? I set this one. I say choose yes. Okay, so now it already finished. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you want to see more video, please don't forget like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so now thank you. Bye bye.